Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to reset your forgotten password. And yeah, let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to have your browser opened, and not the Spotify app but your browser. And once you're here in the browser, you want to search for this link right here. I'm gonna paste it in, and the link is basically spotify.com/your country tag. So I'm just gonna do the US real quick. So the page is in English, and that's best for this tutorial, of course. And then /password-reset, and then click on go, and you will end up on this page. And enter your Spotify username or the email address. And you just gotta fill in your email address. So I'm gonna do that right now. And once you've done that, you want to click on send. And it says a message has been sent to your email with instructions on how to reset your password. And basically you just want to go to your Gmail. And once you're here, you will get this email right here. And you want to click on the green reset password link and open that up in your browser. And once you're here, just press or just fill in your new password, and then repeat the password, do the reCAPTCHA, and then click on send, and that will reset your forgotten password. I am not going to do that for this tutorial because I don't need to, but that is basically all you have to do. And once you've done that, your password has been reset. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.